How to increase voice chat volume in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about increasing the voice chat volume in Roblox. So you want to know how to make the voice chat louder in Roblox, right? So I'm going to walk you through two simple methods to try and boost that volume for you. The very first thing we're going to do, and this is often the easiest fix, is to check your system's volume settings. So look down on your computer screen, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen, and you should see a little icon that looks like speaker. That's your speaker icon. Go ahead and give that a click, but instead of just a normal click, you actually need to right click on that speaker icon. Now a little menu will pop up, and from that menu you're going to want to open the option that says Open Volume Mixer. The key here is to make sure that the Roblox volume slider is turned all the way up, and this ensures that Roblox is sending out the maximum possible audio signal. And if it's turned down even a little bit, you might be missing out on some volume. So this is what you should do if you want to hear the absolute maximum volume possible for the voice chat in Roblox. So okay, let's say you've already checked the volume mixer and Roblox is already at its highest settings, but you're still having trouble hearing the people. Well, there is another thing that you can consider. If your Roblox volume is already maxed out and you can't still hear someone very well, the issue might be related to distance in Roblox. The closer you are to other players, the louder their voice chat will be. So if you're trying to talk to someone who is far away in the game, you might have a hard time hearing them, which is an important part of the game. Keep that in mind as you play. So that's how you can increase the volume for the Roblox voice chat. Hopefully one of these two methods helps you out and makes it easier to hear people while you're playing in Roblox. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.